Good afternoon everyone, today we're looking at another Fossil watch. Just done a review of the Fossil Grant, so go and check that out if you get a chance. Highly recommend that for its overall quality. I know it's easy to say that nowadays, but it is generally really nice, that watch, and a nice gold colour. But for today's purposes, we're going to be looking at the Fossil Minimalist. So it comes in this sort of very sort of bold, lined, simple tin. Fossil is well known for having these sort of style tins, lots of contemporary designs they go for with these, usually to match the sort of the image of the watch and what their inspirations are. Somehow I imagine that's going to work. So let's have a look inside the actual watch. Manual that jumps straight out at you. It's when you, as soon as you take that lid off, it just pops. This pops out straight into your hand usually. Inside, the watch is housed on a simple cardboard cushion. I'm not a big fan of cardboard cushions, but they're obviously going for that simple finish to it rather than being too fancy with all the cushions. I like the watch box cushions, unfortunately. So here we go, this is the Fossil Minimalist 44mm with a 8mm case thickness, so it's very thin watch, almost like a lady style watch. Retails at £120, weighs 49 grams and uses a Japanese quartz movement as well. So looking at the face here, you've got a navy blue style dial. There's no it's not sunray, it's just matte finish, plain metallic background. So it's going around the back. Yes, it is. Got a little wrapper on here that goes all the way around the actual watch, not so much the face. Got two little ones, I think. Simple matte finish blue dial. Simple luminous hands and increments. Again, going for that minimalist approach. 50-meter water resistance, and specifically this design is going for the aesthetic vintage with a simple modern design. They're sort of mixing those two together. Not much to say really, apart from that. It's stainless steel casing going around the side here. Consistent going around here. I can't get over how thin it is. It's like a saucer, like a flying saucer. It's so thin. Let's have a look at the crown. Got a very nice, strong crown. I thought when I picked it up, this is going to feel tinny, but the actual crown does feel nice. It does feel quite light in the hands. That's where it does get you, but it's got a very nice, decent crown here. Very good. Simply pops down in place. And the hands actually line up with the increments, which is really nice. I like that on a watch. Well, the rest of my case actually. I like that on a watch. I like them to line up with the increments, the actual seconds hands. Coming down to the strap, you've got a 22mm strap. It's got like a orange going to a black sort of blend. As you can see, it comes out towards the side of the strap here. It goes more black. That's not something that I've seen for a while. It's quite thick, the actual strap, so it's got if you like that, then great. Inside the actual windows of the strap, you've got no metallic rings to prevent stretch, but that can be seen as a good thing because it will stretch over time to fit you as a person. It will fit more of a tailored way. The strap is housed in two stainless steel legs on both sides. Two pairs, I suppose. On the back of the strap, you've got a sort of beige finish, a cheap style holder for the actual strap to go in, but that's industry standard nowadays. You do get that. 22mm, of course, with quick release options on the side here. I think the quick release options are there because Fossil wants you to sort of have the interchangeability of the straps. You want to be able to sort of pick and choose which ones you want to go for. They offer loads of straps on the website, so go check them out. Looking at the buckle, you've got a simple buckle, simple and contemporary, held in a simple, nice, strong hinge as well. You don't want it flapping around too much. Look at the back plate. The back plate is quite domed actually. That's probably why I thought it was a flying saucer. You got a few more markings on the back here about the information of the watch, the model number, etc, etc. So there we go, guys. That is the Fossil Minimalist 44mm.